Hi. It's 2025, and are you still training your AI model like this? What if I told you there's a tool that can train AI models, scrape trends, and manage your social media while you sleep? Meet the WebHooker plugin, your new secret weapon for 2025. As we step into the future, the tech world is already testing practical applications of AI tools, while many businesses are still catching up. And that's where this WebHooker plugin comes in handy to bridge this gap perfectly, allowing you to train custom AI models with zero coding skills, scrape SERP trends effortlessly, create and manage social media posts, handle social media replies automatically. The best part is, you don't need to be a coding genius to do these. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first AI model in under 5 minutes, how to create an entire automated social media presence, and stay ahead of market trends 24/7. Still not convinced? Stay tuned as we show you how to leverage this powerful tool for your business needs. To make this WebHooker plugin work, you will need an automation scenario. And here we are using Make for this automation, and you can use any of your webhook URLs to receive this data and process this further as per your use case. There are also tools like Zapier to perform no-code automation. And if you too want to go on with Make, you can easily get started with our magic link in the description. This will benefit you with a month of pro plan along with 10,000 operations. Let's dive into its functionalities and use cases. Here we have already added this WebHooker extension in our Chrome. And to activate this plugin, we have to enter our activation code here. This will open an interface like this, where the webhook URL is necessary and the rest is optional. For example, this is our webhook here, and we're copying its URL from here and passing it here. By submitting, it will send a JSON of the page with the page URL, HTML content, text contents, hyperlinks, and all other values like this. So now we have sent the following data, and for more additional features like filters, we can use these 3 fields here. Here we give the additional reference as this is a test, and the tags is tag 1, tag 2, and tag 3. And you can see the same being shown in the selected tags column. This will be useful while handling multiple use cases. Here we mark this as test 2. Now let's go back and submit with the tags. And here we're sending as tag 2. It will display a response like this for whatever the webhook returns. So here you can see the reference, tags and selected tags are shown as we gave. These tags will help you filter the data easily inside your flow in the future. So now let's go to the second page, and you can see the same fields and tags. You can also remove tags by clicking here. So for this page, we select tag 1. And by running, you can see the selected tag as tag 1 here. Now to get the webhook response, we're adding this module here and giving the body content test complete. So as you can see after running, the response is displayed as we gave. Now the select text feature, for this we selected this text, and after running, you can view the text here, and the same you can see in the webhook also. You can simply click here to clear the text selection. So overall, this plugin helps you to directly send a web page, send specific text, send additional reference, create and save tags, use select tags for filter options, and finally display the webhook response. There's also an additional feature that will help you to directly send a webhook by selecting text and right-clicking on it. And you can see the results here. Now let's try sending an image. For this, we're just searching PNG here. Take this image for now, and by running it, you can see the image URL in the webhook. Also, you can select both text and images together like this, and by sending, you can see the values received here. Let's check the first image URL here, and you can see this is the first image on the web page too. So these are the options we have in the context menu. And now let's dive into the scenario and some real use cases of this WebHooker plugin. This is the complete automation scenario for this plugin. The use cases are given here as tags, which include Scrap SERP trends, train custom model, social media post reply, image archive, and post archive. So first, in this webhooks module, we will receive the webhook data. Then we added a router for different tags. That is, when we send any data in the scenario through this plugin, we can select specific tags to provide as a filter. You can see here that we've mapped the first route as this from the webhook payload. And if this array contains the train custom model, then this will go to this route. Then this module will structure the data using a create a completion module, which can be passed to the training model. So here we have added some instructions and requirements. Then, in this OpenAI's Upload a File module, we will map the data from Create a Completion module and upload it as a file. And we gave the file name here as .jsonl. In the file data, we're passing the result from the Create a Completion module. Then the Make an API Call module will start the model training. So after configuring these, we can implement model training for the OpenAI model. This is just a demo, and we can also configure for other platforms in AI models using this method. Then in this second route, we have provided Scrape SERP trends, since this is the tag we selected from our plugin. And as said earlier, we can add new tags by clicking here and can simply delete them by clicking here. And this route will be used if the selected tags contain this tag. And here also, the first prompt is to format the data in a specific structure. You can see the text content we've added here and pass the scrap data here and response format as JSON object. Then here, the response will be an array of collections as asked for the output. Then it will be iterated over that array, and each collection in this array aggregator has been mapped. And now in this bulk add rows module of Google Sheets, we pass the spreadsheet ID, sheet name, column range, and then map the structured data from the array aggregator into the rows. This will add all the scrap trends in the Google Sheet. For example, you can see here that if the URL is present, it will add the URL, title description, and trend tags. And we can scrape this information for future use if we want to create engaging and trending content. Now the third filter or tag is the social media post. So if we select social media post while sending the data, this will go in this third route. Then the selected tags, texts, and instructions are passed in this module. And this will write a post for us. Then the post is returned using the webhook response module. For example, let's select this LinkedIn post content for us to create a post and submit. You can see the response delivered here. You can simply copy this and post it on your page. Then in the fourth route, again, we have a method to create social media post replies. And this module will create a reply as per the given prompt for the input post. You can see the instructions for a sample LinkedIn reply shared in the text content here. After that, the replies return using this module. For example, let's try replying to the post here, and you can see the reply is displayed here as a response. You can simply copy this and post it as your comment. The fifth route holds the tag image archive. And if we are sending an image, then the payload type will be selected image, and it will go to Google Drive's Upload a File module. Here we've created a folder, Image Archive, to upload the images. And in the file name, we get the image type, and the data will be in base 64 format. For example, let's send this image, and it will be shown on the drive. At last, in the last sixth route, we have payload type selected contents. Here we've used Google Sheets Add a Row module for this. For example, if we want to store this content, we can just send it like this, and it will store that in a Google Sheet here. So this is how we can configure this scenario to make this WebHooker plugin work. And there you have it, an incredible tool that can revolutionize how you interact with AI, manage your business, and streamline your workflow in 2025 and beyond. With this WebHooker plugin, you will be no longer tied to manual, time-consuming processes. Whether it's training AI models, scraping trends, creating social media content, or automating replies, everything becomes effortless and efficient. And remember, this plugin is available exclusively for our Skool members only. Get started with this plugin now by joining our Skool community, Master AI Automation. Plus, you'll also get expert guidance and invaluable insight into AI automation, along with this awesome tool. Start for just $29 and gain access to benefits worth over $10,000. Plus a 7-day free trial to start your journey with zero risk. So why wait? Be part of this thriving community today and take your automation journey to the next level. Also, if you found this video helpful, drop us a like and keep connected with us for more interesting insights on AI automation trends.